Hello students, here we are solving the question which is based on the topic of electric charge and field. The question is a particle of mass m carrying a charge minus q1 is moving around a charge q2 along a circular path of radius r. Prove that the period of revolution of charge minus q1 about charge plus q2 is given by t is equals to 16 pi cube under root 16 pi cube epsilon 0 mr upon q1 q2. So here we are given negative charge q1 is revolving around charge plus q2. So the concept over here for circular motion, centripetal force is required. Centripetal force is required, which is provided by electrostatic force. Force between minus q1 charge and plus q2 charge. And for that, what is the formula? Then centripetal force is equals to electrostatic force. Centripetal force is mv square upon r is equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 q2 upon r square. Now we see the solution for this question. Now from the above formula, v square, 1 r gets cancel over here. V square is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 m into q1 q2. R. Therefore, V is equals to under root 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 q2 upon m r. Now velocity is equals to 2 pi r upon t, circumference upon time period. Therefore time period is equals to 2 pi r upon v. We put the value of v over here. So what we get, time period is equals to 2 pi r divided by under root 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 q2 upon mr. So we take the whole quantities into the under root sign. When 2 goes 4 pi square r square. This 4 pi epsilon 0 will also go in the numerator. M and r will also go in the numerator upon q1 into q2. Therefore time period is equals to under root 4 4s are 16 pi cube r cube m epsilon 0 upon q1 q2. This is the required result. Hence our answer is the time period of revolution of charge q1 minus q1 around charge q2 is T is equals to under root 16 pi cube epsilon 0 m r cube upon q1 into q2. That is all about this question. Do check out my other videos for more challenging questions.